Hey, and in this video, we're going to talk about the 7 best AI video generators 2023. Video content is a must-have for businesses and content creators wanting to compete in this highly visual environment. Reports have shown that more than 80% of online traffic is video traffic, and an increasing amount of people prefer it over other forms of online content like text and images. Most online publishers rely on social networks to reach audiences, and video content provides more organic reach than other types. At the same time, it has traditionally been both time-consuming and costly to produce and disseminate video content. Artificial intelligence, AI, is changing this outlook, making it easier than ever to generate video. At the same time, it has never been more accessible to create video content, with the wide range of AI video generators available. Here are some of the best AI video generators on the market. So before starting this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future updates. Let's get started. Number 7. Pictory. Pictory is an AI video generator that enables you to easily create and edit high-quality videos. One of the best aspects of the tool is that you don't need any experience in video editing or design. You start by providing a script or article, which will serve as the base for your video content. For example, Pictory can turn your blog post into an engaging video to be used for social media or your website. This is a great feature for personal bloggers and companies looking to increase engagement and quality. Since it is based in the cloud, it works on any computer. Pictory also allows you to easily edit videos using text, which is perfect for editing webinars, podcasts, Zoom recordings, and more. It's simple to use and takes just minutes before delivering professional results that help you grow your audience and build your brand. Another great feature of Pictory is that you can create shareable video highlight reels, which proves useful for those looking to create trailers or share short clips on social media. Besides these great features, you can also automatically caption your videos and automatically summarize long videos. Here are some of the main features of Pictory. 1. Video based on articles or scripts. 2. Edit videos using text. 3. Create shareable video highlight reels. 4. Automatically caption and summarize videos. Number 6. Synthesys. Topping our list of best AI video generators is Synthesys, which is a leading company in developing algorithms for text-to-voiceover and videos for commercial use. Synthesys aims to help you enhance your video content, such as explainer videos and product tutorials, in just a matter of minutes. The company relies on its Synthesys text-to-video (TTV) technology to transform scripts into dynamic media presentations. Creators and companies can use Synthesys to create videos with lip-syncing AI video technology. There is no need for cameras or film crews. All you have to do is choose an avatar and type your script in one of 66+ available languages, and the tool will produce a high-quality video. The tool offers over 74 real avatars and a voice bank of 254 unique styles. It also offers full customization, an easy-to-use interface for editing and rendering, and high-resolution output. Here are some of the main features of Synthesys. 1. 74 real avatars. 2. 66+ languages and 254 unique styles. 3. Excellent tool for explainer videos, e-learning, social media, and product descriptions. 4. Easy-to-use interface. Number 5. Synthesia. Another great AI video generator is Synthesia, an AI video generation platform that enables you to quickly create videos without avatars. The platform includes over 60 languages and various templates, a screen recorder, a media library, and much more. Synthesia is used by some of the world's biggest names like Google, Nike, Reuters, and BBC. With Synthesia, there's no need for complex video equipment or filming locations. You can choose from over 70 diverse AI avatars and even get an exclusive AI avatar for your brand. Besides the preset avatars, you can also create your own. The AI voice generation platform makes it easy to get consistent and professional voiceovers, which can be easily edited with the click of a button. These voiceovers also include closed captions. Once you have an avatar in VoiceOver, you can produce quality videos in a matter of minutes with more than 50 pre-designed templates. You can upload your own brand identity assets and get custom-made templates. Here are some of the main features of Synthesia. 1. 70+ AI avatars. 2. 65+ languages. 3. A wide variety of video templates. 4. Free media library. Number 4. LA.io. Run by a global team of AI technology experts, LA.io is another leading AI video generator that enables users to create a wide range of video content from text. With LA.io, you can easily generate videos at scale. You can use the platform to generate a professional video from the link to an article or a blog post in just 3 clicks. You first copy and paste a blog post URL or HTML text before choosing one of the templates from the library. All that's left to do is review the video, make any changes, and render and download it. LA.io is especially useful for users looking to create training videos without actors, voiceovers, or post-production. You can also improve your marketing with compelling product videos powered by AI. There are over 60 languages available and more than 25 avatars to choose from. Besides selecting a presenter from the library, you can also request a personal avatar. There are over 60 languages available and more than 25 avatars to choose from. Besides selecting a presenter from the library, you can also request a personal avatar. Here are some of the main features of LA.io. 1. Generate videos at scale. 2. Create video from blog or article. 3. Over 60 languages and more than 25 avatars. 4. Training videos. Number 3. InVideo. If you are looking for a powerful AI to generate marketing and explainer videos, InVideo has you covered. It doesn't require any background in video creation or video editing, so anyone can get started with the tool. InVideo creates video from input text, making it easy to create high-quality videos in minutes. It offers various templates that are professionally designed and animated. To use the AI video generator, all you have to do is input your text, select the best template or customize your own, and download the finished video. The video content can then be shared directly to social media platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. Many users choose InVideo to develop promo videos, presentations, video testimonials, slideshows, and even memes. Here are some of the top features of InVideo. 1. No background in video creation needed. 2. Video from input text in minutes. 3. Professionally designed templates. 4. Share straight to social media. Number 2. Synths Video. Synths Video offers a great tool that provides you with a new way to engage your audience. You can use it to transform blog posts into high-quality videos in a matter of minutes. The platform offers various human avatars with more than 40 selections. Synths Video relies on AI technology to generate natural-looking lip movements based on the words in the text. Everything is automated from start to finish, so there is no need for editing experience on your part. To get started with Synths Video, all you have to do is write a blog post and upload it to the platform, which will then convert it into a video that can be directly uploaded to platforms like YouTube. Here are some of the main features of Synths Video. 1. Transform blog posts into videos. 2. Human avatars with over 40 selections. 3. Natural-looking lip movements. 4. Entire process automated. Number 1. Veed.io. Closing out our list of best AI video generators is Veed, which makes it easy for anyone with basic computer skills to generate high-quality video. You can create unique videos by customizing text, fonts, colors, music, and much more. The platform also offers different themes so you can convey certain messages through the videos. Veed also makes it easy to transcribe your video files in one click. All you have to do is upload your video, click Auto Transcribe, and download the transcript. Thousands of content creators around the world rely on Veed to make videos for social media and various platforms. There is no software to download, and it doesn't require any previous video editing experience. With the free video editing app, You can work on creating content right in your browser. Here are some of the main features of Veed. 1. Customize text, fonts, colors, music, and more. 2. Different themes. 3. Transcribe videos with one click. 4. No video editing experience required. If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos. And if you like it, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video.